Hey guys, this is my neck finishing jig and it needs some upgrades. I've used this for a while, it has served me well, but there's a few things that I really would like to have that would just make everything better. Number one, we're going to go with a metal aluminum rod. This rod, as I will show you soon, is where it goes through one of the tuning machine holes in the top of the neck. Hold on, I'll just show you. So we've got the aluminum rod. We're also going to use these hitch clips so that way the aluminum rod doesn't fall. So it doesn't fall out Harbor Freight. So with all this, some 2x4s, this is a real easy project, and basically I'm going to make it a little bit taller, and that's just about it. I'll show you why. One second. All right, so what we have here is two 32-inch boards for the legs, one 19-inch board for the bottom, a 14-inch board for the top, and 2 feet that are 10 inches each. Because I'm using a 1/4-inch aluminum rod, this is 17/64, and we're gonna mark out where it goes. Also with a sacrificial board. All right, so now we will assemble, but I use a little bit of glue just in case as we screw it in, so this will go by fast. Put a little glue here at the bottom. We're gonna do a little bit of a counter seat for each side. So as you can see here, a little mark where I'm gonna cut my aluminum rod. Make room for the hitch clamps. All right, so here we go. We're done. We've got this nice 32-inch clearance, and as you can see, the neck has plenty of room. Inside this framework, we have our aluminum rod and the hitch clip on one side. Now we can take our rod, put it through, and then we have a whole bunch of different options on which tuning machine we even want to put it through. So let's just say we're going to put it through number 3, feed it through the hole as such, and then for extra security we can add another hitch clip on the other side, and now we're locked into place. This isn't going anywhere. So the reason why I really like this is because now I have plenty of room to put finish on the top of the headstock. I can, do this whole thing and then to be able to turn it around and then finish the other side of the headstock and the neck and whatever you want to do with ease. So this is the reason why I want to rebuild this, make it a little bit taller. And the greatest part about this jig is when you're done putting finish on, you can lift it up and you can go set it somewhere else and let it dry. There you have it, the improved neck finishing jig. Hey, if you like this, let me know what you would do or change. Thumbs up, subscribe. We got a lot more coming. Have a great day. Till next time.